In this video tutorial, I am going to tell you the difference between Python 2 and Python 3 and which Python version you should learn. So let's know the history a little bit about Python 2 and Python 3. Python 2.0 was first released in 2000 and its latest version is 2.7 was released in 2010. Python 3.0 was released in 2008. Its newest version is 3.7 and currently it is the latest version. And now let's look at the difference between Python 2 and Python 3. Python 2 is the legacy and Python 3 is the future. Since Python 2 has been the most popular version for over a decade and a half, it is still entrenched in the software at certain companies. However, since more companies are moving from Python 2 to Python 3, someone who wants to learn Python programming language for the beginning may wish to avoid spending time on a version that is becoming obsolete. Python 2 and Python 3 have difference in the libraries, something incompatible. Since Python 3 is the future, many of today's developers are creating libraries strictly for use with Python 3. Similarly, many older libraries built for Python 2 are not forward compatible. In Python 3, better Unicode support is provided. In Python 3, text or string are Unicode by default. In Python 2, strings are stored as ASCII by default. Like using the Unicode support, you can work with thousands of characters. But with the ASCII support, it will be harder for you because ASCII method do not support like thousands of characters, and these kinds of features don't have in ASCII support. Python 3 has improved integer division. In Python 2, if you write a number without any digit after the decimal point, it rounds your calculation down to the nearest whole number. For example, if you are trying to perform the calculation 5 divided by 2 and you type 5 divided by 2 and the result will be 2, like after the round, you would have to write it as 5.0 divided by 2.0 to get the exact answer of 2.5. However, in Python 3, the expression 5 divided by 2 will return the expected result of 2.5 without having to worry about adding those extra zeros. And two of the Python version have different print statement, and some of the syntaxes are also different. Like if you want to use the print command in Python 2, you have to write like this. If you want to use the print command in Python 3, you have to write like this. At present, a lot of companies are using Python 3. As mentioned earlier, the most companies are still using Python 2 for legacy reason. But more and more companies are using Python 3 or beginning to make the switch from Python 2 to Python 3. For example, big companies such as Facebook and Instagram is moved from Python 2 to Python 3. If you are planning to learn Python, keep in mind that Python 2.7 will no longer be supported after 2020. So my advice will be learn Python 3 because it's more faster, more easier and more reliable. In this channel, I make different kind of programming and tech related videos. If you are new, consider to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the bell icon to get notification about every single video. Thanks for watching.